Thai red curry noodle soup. Hey everyone, welcome back to Food and Fun. Today we're diving deep into the heart of Thai cuisine to make an incredibly comforting and delicious dish, Thai red curry noodle soup. Let's start by looking at what we need. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, 400 ml can of coconut milk, 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 200 grams of your choice of noodles, rice noodles, udon, etc. 300 grams of chicken, thinly sliced, or tofu for a vegetarian option. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce or soy sauce for a vegetarian option. 2 teaspoons of sugar or palm sugar. 2 tablespoons of oil, coconut or vegetable. 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. 2 green onions, sliced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, minced. Fresh lime juice from 1 lime. Fresh cilantro and basil for garnish. Optional: bean sprouts, red chili slices, and lime wedges for serving. Alright, let's get cooking. Preparation: heats a large pot over medium heat and adds oil. Once the oil is hot, the red curry paste is added. Saute. Stir the curry paste in the oil for a minute until aromatic. Now, add in the minced garlic and ginger and saute for another minute. Protein: add your sliced chicken or tofu into the pot. Cook until the chicken is browned on all sides. Broth base: pour in the coconut milk and the broth. Stir it well to combine. Season: season the soup with fish sauce and sugar. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Veggies: toss in the sliced bell pepper and mushrooms. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the veggies are tender. Noodles: in goes the noodles. Ensure they're submerged and cook according to the package instructions. Finishing touches: just before serving, stir in the lime juice and green onions. This will add a fresh, zesty kick to your soup. And there you have it, a soul-soothing bowl of Thai red curry noodle soup, perfect for any day of the week. That's just heavenly. Don't forget to garnish with some fresh cilantro, basil, and maybe a few bean sprouts and chili slices if you like. Thank you for joining me today on Food and Fun. If you give this recipe a try, let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!